What is the purpose of the GAA? As you wander through the charming landscapes of Ireland, you might wonder about the vibrant spirit of the Gaelic Athletic Association, often referred to as the GAA. So, what is the purpose of the GAA? Let's break it down. Founded in 1884, the GAA is the largest sporting organization in Ireland. Its primary goal is to preserve and promote traditional Irish sports. This includes games like hurling, Gaelic football, handball, and rounders. These sports have been part of Irish culture for centuries, and the GAA plays a key role in keeping them alive. The GAA organizes competitions at various levels, from local clubs to national championships. This structure allows players of all ages and skill levels to participate and enjoy these traditional games. But the GAA is not just about sports. It has a significant cultural role in Ireland. The organization supports Irish music, song, dance, and the Irish language. By promoting these cultural elements, the GAA helps maintain a strong sense of Irish identity. This makes it an essential part of the social fabric of the country. Another important aspect of the GAA is its commitment to amateurism. Players do not receive payment for participating in games, even at the highest levels. This amateur ethos is central to the values of the GAA and contributes to its popularity. It fosters a sense of community and passion among players and fans alike. Speaking of community, the GAA is deeply involved in local life. It encourages volunteerism and participation, helping to build strong social bonds. When you attend a GAA event, you will see how it brings people together. The atmosphere is lively and welcoming, creating a shared identity among attendees. If you are traveling in Ireland, attending a GAA match can be a fantastic way to experience the local culture. The excitement of the games and the camaraderie among fans provide a unique opportunity to connect with the community. You might also consider visiting local GAA clubs. This can give you a glimpse into the daily life and traditions of the areas you are exploring. In summary, the GAA serves multiple purposes. It preserves traditional Irish sports, supports cultural elements, promotes amateurism, and fosters community engagement. So, whether you are a sports enthusiast or simply curious about Irish culture, the GAA offers a vibrant experience that is worth exploring during your travels in Ireland.